a misfire, cylinder misfire, PO303, and it was saying something about the injector too. So I took it apart. I removed the top part, 5 screws, removed hoses. I found the problem. And how I found it was I removed cylinder, well actually not cylinder 3, but the injector for cylinder 3, and put it on the number 2 cylinder, and I put it back together and I tried it on. So now I'm getting codes for the number 2 cylinder. So now I know it's the fuel injector. I went and got it, paid 50 bucks, tax, everything. I'm gonna put it back on, and that's it. It's fixed. No more running shitty. Easy. Took me 15 minutes. Easy.